Hello everyone, my name is Grace Odell and this is my Lesson 5 Prevention Strategy presentation on positive praise. The purpose of positive praise. Positive praise in the classroom helps create an environment where instead of only recognizing negative behaviors, positive behaviors are being seen and recognized with verbal or nonverbal praise. Using effective behavior-specific praise frequently helps to inform students of what successful classroom behaviors are while providing positive attention to those students who demonstrate these effective classroom behaviors. That is from the classroom checkup. Praise and rewards are by definition conditional, meaning you do this and I will give you that. But children need to know that we love and care for them regardless of what happens on a day-to-day basis. While we communicate this fact verbally and directly, children also infer it from the way we treat them. Steps for implementing positive praise. Step 1, recognize the behavior and then provide positive praise after the behavior has been completed. From the classroom checkup, the praise happens after the expected behavior occurs, contingent on the behavior. Step 2, the positive feedback that is provided explains the behavior that they are being praised for. Again, from the classroom checkup, the praise is behavior specific, or when explicit feedback is provided about what the student is doing. For example, Caroline, great job holding the door for all of your friends. Step 3. The positive praise is done with a smile on your face, and the child knows that you truly mean what you are saying to them. The praise is authentic. In other words, when you provide the praise, you really mean it, and it is not given for something that is not very important or valid. Positive praise examples in the classroom. Providing the children with verbal or nonverbal praise during morning meeting. Hank, I like how you are sitting and listening to me. Gordon, great job filling out our weather chart. Liza, great job knowing what month we are in. Give me a high five. Providing the children with verbal and nonverbal praise during small group time. Emmett, you did a great job writing your name. Come pick out a sticker. David, you did an amazing job coloring your picture. I'm going to hang it on our wow work wall. Sharista, thank you for sitting quietly and waiting for your turn with the puzzle. How parents can use positive praise at home. Parents can use positive praise at home the same way that teachers can at school. Parents can identify positive behavior that their child is doing and verbally and not verbally give recognition for those behaviors. For example, a parent notices their child playing with their sibling. The parent could say, insert child name, I really like how you're playing with, insert other child name. Or a parent could notice that their child cleans up their room and rewards them with a treat. From building self-esteem, by keeping praise fun, enthusiastic, and unpredictable, parents can demonstrate support and encouragement for their child's positive behaviors while simultaneously helping their child find personal satisfaction in a job well done. Praising children's positive behaviors help them master new skills, stick with difficult tasks, and improve self-esteem. Praise can also lead to strong parent-child relationships by letting kids know we are proud of them and that they are worthy of our positive time and attention. How positive praise supports instruction and a positive classroom environment. From Classroom Checkup, using pre-correction, especially in combination with behavior-specific praise, has been shown to decrease disruptive behavior, reduce the need for reprimands, and increase the amount of time for instruction. Taking the time to praise children for good behaviors that they are doing is going to help make the overall environment of the classroom become more positive. I have been in classrooms where the only feedback that was being given was for negative behaviors, and it caused the environment to be very chaotic and overall very negative. More time was spent commenting on negative behaviors, and this ended up taking away from the instruction parts of the day. Resources for colleagues. The Classroom Checkup, Using Behavior-Specific Praise. This resource provides an overview of what behavior-specific praise is, the purpose of it, and how to implement it into the classroom. How can I help you? Reconsidering behavior management is another resource. This resource discusses the importance of focusing on children's psychological needs and how positive praise can positively impact their development. The classroom checkup, using pre-correction. This resource ties together the importance of informing children of the expectations that we have set for them and then using positive praise when they have met these expectations. This resource describes the purpose of pre-correction and how we can implement it into the classroom. My interactive activity. Small group time, we're doing a Thanksgiving art activity. While the children are working on their art projects, I will be walking around positively engaging with them as they work. Some examples of the verbiage I would use: Gordon, I love the colors that you chose for your project or for your picture. Caroline, thank you for being patient and waiting for Gordon to be done with the orange marker. Gordon and Caroline, both of your pictures are so beautiful. I'm going to hang them up on our Wow Work wall. And these are my resources for this presentation. Thank you for listening.